You've always dreamt of vacationing on a tropical island, and you ended up choosing Curacao. Congratulations, you chose the perfect vacation destination. Before you let all of that excitement get into your head, be sure to check out all of these vacation tips. They could possibly make or break your vacation.
Hi, I'm Shivia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around.
Let's start with the first tip. Put on sunscreen.
When visiting a place like Curaçao, it is important to apply sunscreen and apply it often. A lot of people are not used to using sunscreen. This needs to change when you visit Curaçao. Too much exposure to sun could cause major sunburn and eventually skin cancer. So regardless of what color you are, make sure to apply sunscreen.
Do not be afraid to explore. Staying in a beautiful hotel is awesome, but not if that's all you do. The island has so much to see, so make sure you see them. If you think I'm only referring to the beaches, you are wrong. Try to explore a bit more, like take a stroll in Willemstad, try a boat trip, or even a road trip around the island. Do not hitchhike. If exploring means hitchhiking to you, stop right there. Curaçaoans are not used to people hitchhiking. Do not do it. If you want a cheap way to get around, try the bus system instead. Last but not least, drink plenty of water. It is nice to lay at the beach and drink a cocktail with blue curacao in it. The only problem is that you also need water. The heat in Curacao can easily dry you out. Especially if you're not very active, you might not feel it right away. Drink plenty of water to keep you hydrated.
There you have it. Now that you know these tips, you are ready to go. Use them wisely to protect you and help you have a wonderful time. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel below.